To do this, you want to go to the Google search bar and then type in YouTube NFL Sunday Ticket, and you want to click the link that says tv.youtube.com. And then here, you can choose the NFL Sunday Ticket on YouTube. This way, you don't have to subscribe to YouTube TV to watch the NFL game. So click on this one, on Get It Now. And after that, you will be transferred to youtube.com, the NFL channel itself, and then click on this Get NFL Sunday Ticket. And right here, on the small window, if you scroll down a bit, you can just add the NFL RedZone package for your comfort right here. And then from here, you can just click on the checkout after you choose on one of them. Keep in mind that you don't have to pay for the YouTube Premium to watch it, so you can just buy the NFL Sunday Ticket and watch without YouTube Premium. And also, there is no refund option after you buy this, and then your subscription will automatically renews every year. So to cancel it, you can just click on this blue link called Learn More to cancel the renew every year. Then, you can just fill up all of this credit or debit card and then click on Continue to pay for your pass. Then, after you buy the ticket, you just need to go to youtube.com, either on your phone, laptop, computer, or even your TV, and then just open the application or open it through your browser. And then in the search bar, just go to NFL and then click on this NFL channel. But keep in mind that you need to use the very same account that you just buy NFL Sunday Ticket before on any devices when you're logging in. And then a couple hours prior the game start, right here on the NFL channel, the live game will be there. And then if you have any question about this topic, just comment down below. I will try to assist you the best I can do. And that's how to get and watch NFL Sunday Ticket without YouTube TV to watch every NFL live game. If you find this video useful, please consider like and subscribe.